to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, back with another quick video update. Recently made a video not too long ago on how you can stop that aggravating buzz that comes from your studio monitors or your computer monitors when you're moving your mouse around. You just hear that little buzzing sound. It's just a bzzz, but it's very, very aggravating, and you need dead silence and you can't hear it. So I put a video up and I pulled the third ground completely out of my studio monitors, and then I plugged that into a surge protector. It worked for me very well. I had no issues with my speakers. They're still dead silence. As a matter of fact, they're on right now, and I haven't had any issues over a year with my speakers. But I say that to say this: you may want to go ahead and purchase one of these, because I had a lot of people that were really going above and beyond to let me know that I was a little crazy for doing that, but it's okay. Here's the real fix. So if you go to Lowe's or go to Walmart, you can pick up one of these Polarized to Grounded Adapters. So you can plug the 3-legged monster in here, and it's going to convert it to just the 2-plugger here, the Polarized to Grounded Adapter, which will also handle your speaker buzz. It should alleviate that noise and you won't have any more issues. So go get one. Lowe's or Walmart, paid about $2 for these two, and that should help solve the buzzing noise that you're hearing from your speakers, and you shouldn't have any more issues. If this video helps you and you go out and get it and it works, drop me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Once again, quick update, this is the correct way to do it. Thank you, YouTubers, my lovely YouTube family. Go do that, guys. Go get this. It'll solve your problems. You'll thank me later, or you may thank me now. It's your man Bigg Vic. Always hustle, never stop growing. Peace.